Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. An administrator has received an alert A160068 AFS duplicate IP detected. Details of alert as follows. Which error log should the administrator review to determine the related duplicate IP address? Involved. Option A. Solver. Log. Option B. Minerva CVM. Log. Option C. TCP kill. Log. Option D. Minerva NVM. Log. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Minerva NVM.log. Question 2. An administrator is planning to upgrade all SC hypervisors in a cluster hosting files. When performing one-click hypervisor upgrades, what prerequisite must be performed? Option A. Enable the anti-affinity rules on all FSVMs. Option B. Manually migrate the FSVMs. Option C. Disable the anti-affinity rules on all FSVMs. Option D. Shut down the FSVMs. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, disable the anti-affinity rules on all FSVMs. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.